You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. How to pronounce chirpy. British English pronunciation chirpy. Stress on the first syllable. Now in American English it's pronounced as chirpy. Chirpy. Let's break it down again. Stress on the first syllable, chirpy. British English, UK pronunciation. How to pronounce in American English, United States, US, chirpy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.